Birds have a fascinating process for making eggs, and it all starts with their reproductive system. Female birds have 2 ovaries, but usually, only one is active at a time. When a mature egg, or ovum, is released, it travels down the oviduct. This is where the magic happens. As the egg moves through, layers of albumin, or egg white, are added, followed by membranes and finally, the hard shell, which is made mostly of calcium carbonate. The entire process can take about 24 to 26 hours. Interestingly, the color and texture of the eggshell can vary widely among species, influenced by genetics and environmental factors. Once the egg is laid, the mother often incubates it, keeping it warm until it hatches. This incredible journey from ovum to egg is a testament to nature's complexity and beauty, showcasing the remarkable adaptations birds have developed for reproduction.